Hi everyone, welcome to my class. We want to evaluate this math problem without using calculator. Solution. 2 raised to power 18 can be written as 2 raised to power 9 square minus 16 is the same thing as 4 square. A raised to power m raised to power n is equal to a raised to power n raised to power m. That is, if you multiply 9 times 2 again, you are going to get your 18 back. Then this is different of 2 square. Also remember this rule that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. A is equal to 2 raised to power 9 and b is equal to 4. Let's substitute. 2 raised to power 9 plus 4 multiplied by 2 raised to power 9 minus 4. Then this is equal to 2 raised to power 9 is 512 plus 4. Then multiplied by 2 raised to power 9 is 512 minus 4. And this is 512 plus 4 is 516. Then multiplied by 512 minus 4 is 508. And let's transform this. 516 can be written as 500 plus 16, then multiply by 508 is the same thing as 500 plus 8. And then let's multiply the whole of this by this. 500 times 500, this is 250,000. Then plus 500 times 8, that is 4,000. Then plus 16 times 500, this is 8,000. Then plus 16 times 8, that is 128. Then this is equal to 250,000 plus 4,000 plus 8,000, that is 12,000 plus 128. Now let's add everything together. 250,000 plus 12,000, then plus 128. So if you add everything, we have 8, then this is 2, this is 1, this is 2, this is 6, and this is 2. Therefore, 2 raised to power 18 minus 16 is equal to 262128. That is our final answer.